everyone. Today we are going to clear one very common confusion. What is the difference between a noun and a subject? And trust me, by the end of this video, it will be super clear. Let's start with a simple sentence like Ravi plays cricket. So if you focus on specific words, then Ravi and cricket both are noun, whereas Ravi will be the subject. So noun means it is a kind of a word, or simply a type of a word. For instance, it could be a person's name, or a thing, or a place, or simply an idea. Whereas subject, that's what is the main focus point? Or simply what is this sentence talking about? That is, Ravi plays cricket, so Ravi will become the subject. Now let's take another example, like cricket is loved by Dhoni. Again, in this sentence, if you look into a specific word itself, then cricket and Dhoni both are noun. We understood that. But subject, what is the subject here? So most people think that subject is always the main doer, okay? But here cricket will become the main subject. Again, if you observe this complete sentence, here cricket became a main focus point. Or simply, what is this sentence is talking about? Okay, that is cricket, right? And cricket is loved by Dhoni, so cricket will become your main subject. Here, a small note, what we understood is, every subject can be a noun, but every noun is not the subject. That's all. Thank you.